They told us the universe was a mystery. They said we needed myths and gods to explain it. But what if one man proved them wrong 2,600 years ago? What if a single, simple idea laid the foundation for all of science and philosophy? Thales of Miletus did just that. He wasn't just guessing, he was thinking, observing, and questioning the world around him. And with one bold statement, all is water, he sparked a revolution in human thought. Today, that same spirit of inquiry drives everything from physics to space exploration. Let's dive into how one ancient philosopher changed the way we understand reality itself. Picture this, it's ancient Greece, and the world is running on myths, gods, and some pretty dramatic soap opera-level storytelling. Thunder, Zeus is mad, plague, the gods are punishing us. But then, along comes Thales, born around 624 BCE in Miletus, and he looks around and says, nah, there's gotta be a better way to explain things. Instead of divine gossip, he introduces rational inquiry, marking the shift from mythology to philosophy. And what does he come up with? That everything, literally everything, is water. Now, before you roll your eyes and ask if he was just really into hydration, let's break this down. Water is everywhere. In rivers, the ocean, the rain, even in us. It transforms, solid, liquid, vapor. So it made sense to Thales that water was the fundamental building block of reality. Fast forward a few centuries, and Aristotle, philosophy's favorite know-it-all, suggests that Thales probably came to this conclusion by observing life itself. Plants need water, animals need water, civilization depends on it. Not a bad guess for a guy with zero lab equipment. Of course, Thales wasn't alone in this whole let's explain the universe business. His philosophical descendants, Anaximander and Anaximenes, had their own takes. Anaximander thought existence came from some mysterious infinite substance called apeiron, while Anaximenes bet all his chips on air. This ancient debate basically kick-started the scientific method. Ideas were challenged, counter-arguments made, and the quest for truth became a battle of wits rather than a sermon from the gods. And while we now know water isn't literally the essence of everything, spoiler atoms exist, Thales' real legacy was bigger than his water theory. He proved that the universe could be understood through reason and observation, an idea that paved the way for science, philosophy, and every high school physics class you were forced to sit through. Even the greats, Plato, Aristotle, and later Roman thinkers like Lucretius, recognized Thales as the OG philosopher. And beyond philosophy, he dabbled in math and astronomy, reportedly predicting a solar eclipse, a total flex in the ancient world. His city, Miletus, was a melting pot of cultures and ideas, meaning he probably absorbed knowledge from Egypt and Babylon, showing that intellectual progress was always a team effort. But here's the kicker. Even today, scientists are still chasing Thales' dream of reducing everything to a single unified principle. Whether it's quantum physics or the search for a theory of everything, we're all just following in the footsteps of a guy who looked at the world and asked, what's really going on here? I'll leave you to discuss in the comments. If Thales were alive today, what wild theory would he come up with? Would he still bet on water, or would he be all about dark matter? Support us by subscribing if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.